we will convert our BUSDs into USDT. For that, we will go to the convert option from the home screen of our Binance app. Select USDTs from the given option. Preview conversion rate and then convert. The same service can be utilized to convert your BUSDs to any other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other available option. Now, going back to the home screen, we select the Transfer tab from Common Functions. The converted USDTs are in our spot wallet. We have to transfer them to the funding wallet in order to send it to our P2P trader. Simply add in your selections, enter the required amount, and confirm transfer. Once again, from the home screen, we go to the P2P option from our trade section. Select Sell option from the top left corner. Now select your desired currency from the top right corner. In Oman, we deal in Omani Riyals, hence I am selecting OMR. Now you select your trader according to the rate they are offering and their trading limits. You can deal with any of the available traders because Binance makes sure that your trading goes smooth without any risk. Here I am selecting Cryptox regardless of the minor price difference, as he's my go-to trader because his transactions are immediate and I receive my payments at the earliest. Now once again, enter the quantity, select your desired payment method. I prefer to receive my payments in my bank account, which is already registered with Binance. So I select my bank account details and simply click on Sell with zero fee. Now we have to wait for a couple of minutes till the payment is transferred in our bank account. After receiving the confirmation from your bank or making sure that you received the payment, you click on the Payment Received button. Select the I have received the collect amount option and confirm the transaction. You will be required to enter the code which will be sent to your registered number like an OTP and hit submit. Here, with just a few clicks and a simple procedure, your crypto is converted into fiat currency and in your bank account. I hope you find the video helpful. Stay connected for more crypto related content.